Hey guys, it's Ariel and welcome to my YouTube channel, Makeup by Ariels. If it is your first time here, then welcome, and if not, then welcome back. So this week I've decided to film this look right here, and this is a classic matte Valentine's Day smoky eye. Whew, that is a mouthful of a title, but it is not a mouthful of a look. Oh, that was kind of smooth, you have to admit it. Anyway, I decided to film this look because Valentine's Day is coming up, and the last video I did on my channel was also for Valentine's Day, except it was way more of like a fun, like, I don't even know, like, it was a eyeliner, kind of pink eyeliner with like a cutout, and it was a lot of fun, but I feel like this is more of a wearable look, giving you guys two options here. Anyway, before I get into the video, I want to apologize if you hear any construction in the background. My neighbors are doing something. I don't know what, but there's like a giant crane outside. Yeah. I don't know what they're up to, but I mean, go them. Go them for constructing, you know? Although it's noisy. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into this video. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and hop into my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that onto my face with my clean hands. Now for foundation, since I do want a matte full coverage foundation, I'm going to go ahead into my Tarte Amazonian full coverage foundation, and I'm in the color Fairly Light Beige. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that first onto my hand and then spread, like, dot it, I guess, on the rest of my face evenly, and then I'll go in with a damp beauty sponge by Real Techniques and blend all of this out. This is honestly one of my favorite foundations. It is so good, it like won't move, it's such good coverage, like you can even see like as I'm blending it just blends seamlessly into the skin, and it's just, it's perfect. And it's actually my color. Good job. Good job, Tarte. Next, for just a little bit more coverage under my eyes, I'm going to go ahead with my Tarte Tape Shape just to conceal these tired under eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and bake my face, and I'm going into my Dermablend Loose Setting Powder in the color Original, which is just their translucent powder, and I'm going to set it using my Real Techniques sponge. Now, while this is lightly baking, I'm going to go ahead into my Bahama Mama bronzer, and this is just like the little travel size, and I'm going to be applying that using a crown angled brush, and I'm just going to be putting that in your usual contour areas, so right in the cheekbones, gotta sculpt them out, sides of my foreheads, jawline, sides of my nose, and chin, which you will see. Then for blush, just because we're going to be doing like a sexy, sultry kind of smoky eye, I wanted to kind of keep it simple, and I'm going to be going in to my Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush by Tarte, and this is in the color Party. I hate myself. Anyway, and I'm going to be using that on my Luxie 514 blush brush. Now for highlight, I'm going to be going into the Mary Luminizer by The Balm, and I'm going to be using that on my Royal Langnickel Highlight and Glow BMD 265 brush. That is a mouthful, but it is still my favorite highlight brush, so I'm going to say it every time. I'll go through it. So I'm just applying this on the Cupid's bow, as you can see, tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, and then also on the highest points, so my cheekbones, and then also right up here on my temples. Don't worry too much about if it's not like glowing enough, because I am most likely gonna go back and add some more highlight, just because I feel like Valentine's Day is so special, you know, you want to like really be glowing everywhere you go. Just me? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and hop into my NYX No Filter Sans Filtre finishing powder. This one, I use this one all the time with my Sephora 55 airbrush brush, yes. And I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of wipe and press in the baking, as you can see, and not really going over, you know, where I contoured, but just kind of where I highlighted, so under my eyes, the chin, the forehead, and also under, right here, under the contour, to kind of clean it up a bit. Next, I'm going to go ahead and warm up my face a little bit more, kind of intensify the contour by bronzing. That is my favorite thing to do. If you're gonna contour, you might as well bronze too, you know, really intensify it. So I'm gonna go in with the Revolution Makeup Blend-In bronzer in the color Ultra Bronze, and as you can tell, I love this bronzer. And I'm gonna go ahead and use that on my mineral brush from Makeup Academy Professional. And as you can tell, I can't speak English, it's fine. So I'm gonna go over where I contoured, so kind of the same exact thing, cheekbones, sides of the forehead, jawline, but this time I'm just kind of being a little bit like more loose-handed on it just because it's bronzer, it's not as dark, it's, you know, we're just warming it up a bit. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and hop into my eyebrows, and I'm gonna do one eye off of camera and one on camera, so I will see you in what seems like an hour to me, but like 2 seconds to you. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and hop into my Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, and you can tell I really like that shade over on that side a lot, so just ignore that. On my Scone blending brush, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this brown right here, Zone, as my transition color. There it is, transition color. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop that onto my outer V, and then also kind of working it into the crease a little bit. For a look that's kind of ombre, we really want to focus all of the depth right on this outer V right here. And then bringing it in with like whatever you have left on the brush. Next, I'm actually going to go ahead and hop back into the blush that we used earlier on an Ipsy L34 blending brush, and I'm going to go ahead over top of that transition color and just blend it out. Next, I'm going into the Balm Cosmetics Meet Matrimony, and it's this beautiful maroon color. This is the matte Kumar one. Kumar? No, Kumar, I'm right, okay. And then on my Luxie 227 blending brush, I'm gonna go ahead and really intensify that outer V again, just really building the color. With this color, you're also gonna wanna bring it in towards your eyelid, kind of to about halfway point, so that when we add the white, it'll be that really pretty ombre effect. Then going back into my Urban Decay palette, I'm going to go ahead and mix this pink right here. This is in the color Harajuku. Yes, I can speak. And then also this one, Bath Water. And when you mix that together on your lid, it just creates this really pretty light pink kind of ombre. And you're going to want to focus the light pink more on like the center of the eyelid, just because that's where you're going to transition. Like, to create your ombre, if you add the sparkly one in the middle, it works better. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know the science behind it all. Now I'm going to go ahead and add eyeliner, and for today I'm using my e.l.f. Liquid eyeliner in the color Charcoal. And as you can see, it's just like a little straight line with a little cat eye with the little wing on the end. And adding your washi tape honestly just makes everything so much easier, like 1,000 times easier, guys. Now it is the moment of truth to see if our eyeliner is even. We're gonna go ahead and remove the tape once the eyeliner is dry. Aha! Pretty even, guys. It can't get more even than this, so we won't try. Trust me, I'll mess it up. For our next step, I'm going to go ahead and be applying a light layer of mascara. This is the Rocket Volume Express, and then I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes. Now that we have our lashes on, I'm going to go ahead and use my Estee Lauder Pure Color Blackened Black Eyeliner just to tight line the upper half of my waterline. We're back, guys. That was That was terrifying. Okay. It's okay, we lived. Next, we're gonna go ahead and smoke out our waterlines. So I'm gonna go ahead with a fluffy blending brush from Estee Lauder with that same color that we used, the brown, the transition color from the beginning. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that onto my lower lash line. Then using a pencil brush from Sephora, I'm gonna go ahead back into that matte Humor Meet Matrimony color, yes. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop that onto my lower lash line as well. I'm going to go ahead and apply a light layer of mascara onto my lower lashes as well. Guys, it is time to be extra glowy. So I'm hopping into, it's the Urban Decay Sin eyeshadow slash highlight thing. I don't know. I lost the box, but this is it, and it's so pretty. And I'm going to go ahead and use that on my Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and oh, honey, yes, I love this glow so much, so much. It's honestly a personal favorite of mine. I may add a little bit too much. There is never enough highlight, or too much highlight. Or enough, let's be real. Now for lips, you could either go with like a really nice like deep burgundy to kind of match like the burgundy maroon of the eye color, or you can go with like a nude brown, which is what I'm gonna go with today. So I'm using my NYX Lingerie. This is in the color Lovlies 06. Yes, I think that's its color. I don't know. Hopefully. See, it's a, as you can tell, it's just like a normal nude color. It's one of my favorites lately, actually. Okay guys, so that is all I have for you guys this week. If you did like it, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. If you have any requests for more videos, leave those in the comments below. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Yeah, that's all I have to say, I guess. Oh, also, don't forget to check out my Instagram. It is the username @ and makeup by Ariels. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day. If you are single this Valentine's Day, same. You eat all the chocolate you want and have fun. Watch chick flicks and eat popcorn. That's what I'm doing after church. Anyway, yeah, also if you wanted another idea for Valentine's Day makeup, be sure to check out my last video. That will be in the description box below. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you have an amazing week, an amazing Valentine's Day. I love you all so much. And yeah, bye.